Want to grow spicy chili peppers at home? Even if you've never planted anything before? Here's how to grow chilies from seed to harvest, step by step. Start with the right seeds. Choose easy varieties like cayenne, jalapeno, or Thai chili. You can find them at any garden store or online. Soak your seeds in warm water for 6 to 8 hours. This speeds up germination. Then plant them in seed trays or small pots filled with seed starting mix, about ½ centimeter deep. Chili seeds love warmth. Keep them in a bright, warm spot, ideally 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Cover with plastic wrap or a humidity dome if you can. Germination usually takes 7 to 14 days. If it takes a bit longer, don't worry. Some varieties can take up to 30 days to sprout. Mist the soil to keep it damp, but not soggy. Once they sprout, place them under a grow light or a sunny windowsill. Give them 12 to 16 hours of light daily for best growth. Once your plants have 4 to 6 leaves, move them to a bigger pot. Use well-draining soil and don't forget to feed them every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. In about 70 to 90 days, your chilies will be ready to pick. Snip them off gently and enjoy the heat you grew with your own hands. Subscribe for weekly tips to help us going.